Bankruptcy doesn't mean you're done. It means you're starting over. And the truth is, you can still get approved for a car. At World Kia Joliet, we help drivers rebuild every single day, no matter your situation. Whether you filed Chapter 7 or you're in a Chapter 13 repayment plan, there are real options available to you. Even after bankruptcy, lenders look beyond your credit score. They look at your income, your job stability, and your ability to move forward. Bring the right documents, stay within your budget, and you may be closer to approval than you think. And getting a car loan, then making your payments on time, can be one of the fastest ways to rebuild your credit. That means real progress, real momentum, a real second chance. With reliable, budget-friendly options like the Kia K4, Soul, Sportage, and more, there's a vehicle that fits your life and your payment. So if you're ready to move forward, we're ready to help. Start over the right way at World Kia on Jefferson Street. Get approved today at worldkiajoliet.com. World Kia, where the right people make all the difference in the world.